going on, everyone? It's TDubsKid, and we're gonna go ride a trail that I've never ridden before. I heard it's really fun. It might be like a river. There might be a river crossing, so we'll see how that goes. Look at those mountains up there. I have no visor. It broke off a while ago. It's on the back, actually. Full speed ahead! Should I do it? Whee! Ooh, look at that! Look at that mountains! So good. Oh, here we are at the new trail. I've never ridden this one before.
It's like this.
Sweet. Let's roll. Oh, it's all like little mini hills, like little whoopties. Look at all the pretty flowers. Woohoo! Oh man, really have to duck. Makes it fun. It's nice when it gets like kind of wet like this, but not too wet. Makes the trail kind of sticky. Oh, look at the rock. I always point out the big rocks. I don't know why. Oh, look at, they're so cool. Like how they're just stacked up on top of each other. It doesn't like make any sense, but it's cool. How'd those rocks get there like that? How'd they do that? Hello, forest. I'm gonna pick some flowers. They're so far ahead of me. That's okay. I like kind of just going at my own pace. Can I go this way? Oh yeah. Whee! Hey, now we're in the river. Whoa! This is so slippery. Okay, now it's getting a little slippier. This is kind of nice. Oh, this forest is so refreshing. It's like Mountain Dew. Whoop-de, whoop-de. Ooh, front skid it around a little bit. Ah, look at this meadow. Oh, there's like two ways to go. Let's meet up with each other. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, something's itching. Something itches me. So much better than an amusement park. Purple flower. Oh, which way do we go? Which way do we go? Let's go right. Looks more fun. Take the high road, you take the low road. Dang, they go fast. I'm just putting around on my TW back here. That's fun. Whee! Whoa, it's so slippery. Ah! You climb! Woo! This is like a roller coaster trail. This is so fun. Oh, it's steep. Woo! Whee! Water crossing. Woo! Straight away! The rear of my TW has never slipped around as much as on this trail. It just like slides everywhere. It's so fun. Going around the tree. Yeah. I went around a little too much. Okay. Hey, it's good to go. Let's roll. Yeah. That's like the funnest trail I've ever been on.
I know. Why we haven't been on it?
I don't know. Pretty much like kind of stopped raining, sort of. I don't know. Woo, that's so fun. Brap, brap, it's so slippery. Sorry, you guys just got taken out by that branch. Oh, it's a sad tree. Oh, it's a sad tree. Yeah. Yeah, this looks like your tire.
Yeah, look at your TV tire.
Yeah.
Wow, big wheel.
Yeah. Yeah, take it easy. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.